Are you new to a project, or there's no documentation? Well, let AI take care of it. Now, hear me out. I was recently on a project. It had practically no documentation, and sure, I could talk with existing developers, but their time is valuable, and I'm only going to get like information in short, often opinionated bursts. So, what's a dev to do? Copilot to the rescue, my friends. I just cloned the repo, fired up VS Code for that folder, right click, and prompted this application is supposed to insert description of app here. Uh, Give me a summary, a data model, a breakdown of class relationships, a UI flow, a list of all technologies, services, and patterns involved. Use mermaid diagrams where possible. Super important. Ask me any questions you have and clarify any assumptions. Sounds simple, right? I guess, I don't know how much you prompt. It is. It actually is very simple. Assuming you have, a Copilot subscription. Like I said before, I don't use Claude Code. I'm a Copilot guy, VS Code guy, because I'm generally on the Microsoft stack. Don't judge me. Anyway, a few minutes later, I had a fantastic markdown document that explained practically everything I needed to know to get started. You know, it I did much more afterwards. I iterated, but that's for another rant at another time. But just what I got from that prompt got me started, uh, and it made a huge difference in being able to actually get work done and understanding what the application did. I didn't put any, obviously, because it's client work. I can't put it up on the screen, but you'll see if you use a prompt like what I just explained. You'll see. The point is, I now had a document that I can now add to source control, uh, and now other developers and not just me can get that benefit and update it over the time. Prompts like update the specification document with everything that we've just learned or I've just changed actually work when the dev environment's context is your code and plus the latest commit. So anyway, try it out. Let me know what you think, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. At the very least, comment if it worked for you, or you tweaked the prompt and got even more benefit, or something cooler, or took it to the next level. Enjoy. Thank you.